One of my favorite no bake desserts to make during the summertime are s'more bars. Think Rice Krispie treats, but all of the flavors of s'mores. All you need is 4 ingredients and about 5 minutes. Let's make them. What is up, you guys? It is Carly here, and you are officially cooking with Carly. Let's get making one of my favorite no-bake desserts, especially in the summertime, but really of all time. It's s'more bars. We are going to use golden grams instead of Rice Krispies in a Rice Krispie treat. Does that make sense? Are you following me? So basically, it's butter and marshmallows mixed together. Why are you grinning at me? To make your s'more bars, you need some golden graham cereal, some chocolate. You can use chocolate chips, or if you want to get real fancy, you can use little Hershey's bar squares, some butter, 2 bags of marshmallows, all two, we're going to use them all, and that's it. I've actually pre-measured out my golden grams in this ginormous bowl. You'll need 9 cups of golden grams. Okay, I need to get myself a microwave safe bowl for my butter and marshmallows. Got a lovely bowl here.
The bowl is just gonna like pop out like it's a clear bowl and you can hardly see. It's not like
Okay, well, it is what it is. First, we're going to melt our butter. It's 1/3 of a cup of butter, and we're going to melt that completely in the microwave for 30 seconds. We're going to add 1 whole bag of marshmallows to the melted butter, plus about 1/3 of the second bag. All these marshmallows are like stuck together. Save the rest of those for later. Just quickly toss the marshmallows in the melted butter. We want to just coat the marshmallows with the butter. That way everything will melt at the same time and together nicely. Now we're going to microwave our marshmallows in 30-second increments until it's nice and smooth. This usually takes about 2 times, so about 1 minute total, to get your marshmallows nice and melted, but not too hot where they turn hard. We want them to stay nice and soft. All right, into the microwave for the first 30 seconds. First 30 seconds is done. Let's give it a quick stir, and then we'll go back in for 30 more seconds. All right, let's stir these, and they should be, yep, that's exactly how we want them, to be able to stir them and get them all melted together. They should feel soft while you're stirring them. It should be extremely easy to move your spoon or silicone spatula through the marshmallows. Now we're pouring this into that really just flopped out. Pouring that into the cereal, we'll stir to combine. Once the cereal is nice and coated, we're going to add in the rest of this bag of marshmallows. Stir to incorporate them all. You just want them nicely distributed. We're going to press the mixture into a 9x13 pan, and then we'll put our chocolate on top. Spray this with a little nonstick spray. We're going to dump this in. All of that marshmallowy goodness. Whoa, hey, I just like disappeared. Okay, one tip for you for Rice Krispie treats or this Smore Bar recipe, use wet hands to just press your mixture into your pan and it won't stick to your hands. Just kind of move it around so it covers the pan nicely. You can either sprinkle, or I'm just going to press these little Hershey bars into the top here. If you are as big of a s'mores fan as I am, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my new recipe videos. And go make yourself some s'more bars. You are not going to regret it. There you have your s'more bars. We'll just let them set up for about 15-20 minutes until those marshmallows cool. Then you can slice them into bars and eat them. Or if you're like me, you can just dig in now. It will be very sticky and marshmallowy. It is to die for. Okay. I'm doing it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no. That was 1000% not ladylike.